The feature I want to show you today is called Google Spaces, and you can find it here under Chat. If you click on there and you go to New Chat, you can go to Create a Space, and you have all of these options here. Most of us, I think, will use it in this sort of way. We're going to collaborate with our PLC, within a DLT, a group of people that you are normally working with on a daily and weekly basis. It can be private with just you and your PLC. You can open it up to the district to be searchable. For example, I've got a space here started with me, Katie Page, and also with Anna Estrada and Nathan. We are working on a new cross-listing system. So rather than sending emails back and forth and trying to find whatever email had whatever attachment, we created a space and there's a log of everything we've said back and forth, just like a chat. But anything we attach gets loaded here under the shared, and you can even have tasks like I'm going to be sending an email out about our new system. It automatically populates my Google Calendar, which is amazing. You can assign things to yourself or other people as well. Something else that's cool about it, if you share a link in your space, it also goes into the shared portion. So files will go there, links will go there. It's a really powerful tool if you're going to just need a spot for things like your PLC. I will also share links for additional features that it has.